I picked up the Oneida Dust Cobra primarily for my router table because I have both above and below the table dust ports on that. So I needed something a little more robust than a typical dust extractor, and it's actually been working great at the router table. So much, in fact, that I wanted to do a little experimenting around the shop. So I started trying it on some of my 4-inch port tools, like my big drum sander. And if you've ever had a drum sander, you know the issue there is it produces a lot of very fine dust. And to my surprise, it actually did really well. Virtually no dust left behind. And with that test successful, I went on to the 13-inch planer. Now the issue with the planer, of course, is just copious amounts of chips that you have to deal with. And here again, it performed really well, despite having that smaller 2.5-inch line. So overall, my impression is I'm just really surprised with this, and I think the Dust Cobra will be more versatile than you might expect. And this one has an easy filter clean mechanism built right in, so just throttle it up, pop, 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 and you're good to go. And it's impressive how clean that filter stays, even with heavy use. Well, I guess it's time to get back to work.